Welcome to our lesson today. JSS2 students will be learning how to solve equation using the balance method. And we have an example here where we are asked to solve 2y minus 8 equals to 4. What we have to do here, we are going to find the value of y, which will make both the right hand side and the left hand side to be equal. All right, so we are using the balance method. So the first thing we are going to do here is to add 8 to both sides. We are adding 8 because 8 here is negative 8. Since it is negative 8, we are going to add 8 to both sides for us to be able to eliminate 8 on this side and move it to this side. All right, so we are adding 8 to both sides. We have 2y minus 8 plus 8. Y here will be 4 plus 8. All right, so when we now add it, this will cancel this because minus 8, when we add it 8, we are going to get 0. So it will cancel it, leaving us with 2y equals to, adding these two, we have 12. All right, so what we are going to do here, remember we are looking for the value of y and not 2y. All right, so for us to cancel out this 2 in front of y, we are going to divide both sides by 2. That means we are going to divide 2y by 2 and divide 12 by 2. So when we divide 2y by 2, we are going to have 2y over 2. When we cancel it, we are going to get y. All right, and when we divide 12 by 2, we are going to get 6. So we now have y equals to 6. So for this scale to balance, the value of our y will be equals to 6. All right, so the solution to this equation is y equals to 6. Now I want you to use this method, this balance method, and solve for this particular one. Once you solve it, comment your answer on the comment section, and I'm going to check it to know if you get it right or wrong. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well and subscribe. Then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once a new video is uploaded. All right, so see you in our next lesson.